Virtually BGCMC's Summer Camp Day 1. We have 3 unique videos for you to try out and challenge yourself a little bit. The first video is going to be the Paper Structure Steam Challenge with me, Miss Nikki. Video number 2 is going to be Brenda's Beginner Yoga Flow. And finally, video 3 is going to be Miss Heidi's DIY Bird Feeder. We would love to see what you create, so go ahead and email us at virtual@bgcmc.org. Or you can go to our website at any one of these activities and just pop in a comment below the activity. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye.